song I like quite a bit, and you've heard several different versions of it. This one is by Dick James, not Dick Hames. Dick Hames actually recorded the second version after Nat King Cole did his very famous version, Nature Boy, written by one of probably the original hippie, a strange little guy called ahbez, who spent much of his life living as a recluse. And I think he had a lot of disappointments about the music industry as well. That he didn't get the what he expected from his work, and so he became a bit remote. He lived much of his life, as I say, living as a complete recluse. And so here we are, Nature Boy, sung by I think he's a British singer, Dick James, with orchestra.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love